ተዋህዶ መሸሸጊያዬ ኦርቶዶክስ መጠለያዬ ሰላምሽ ከፍ ይበልልኝ እናቴ ሁሌም ኖሪልኝ። ሰላምሽ ከፍ ይበልልኝ እናቴ ሁሌም ኖሪልኝ። ተዋህዶ መሸሸጊያዬ ኦርቶዶክስ መጠለያዬ ሰላምሽ ከፍ ይበልልኝ እናቴ ሁሌም ኖሪልኝ። ሰላምሽ ከፍ ይበልልኝ እናቴ ሁሌም ኖሪልኝ። ተዋህዶ መሸሸጊያዬ ኦርቶዶክስ መጠለያዬ ሰላምሽ ከፍ ይበልልኝ እናቴ ሁሌም ኖሪልኝ። ሰላምሽ ከፍ ይበልልኝ እናቴ ሁሌም ኖሪልኝ። የተክሌ የሃይማኖት የአባ ጊዮርጊስ የነ ላሊበላ ይምራነ ክርስቶስ የነ ላሊበላ ይምራነ ክርስቶስ የነ ዜና ማርቆስ የክርስቶስ ሰምራ ጸሎታቸው ኖሯል ባንቺ ላይ ሲያበራ ጸሎታቸው ኖሯል ባንቺ ላይ ሲያበራ። ተዋህዶ መሸሸጊያዬ ኦርቶዶክስ መጠለያዬ ሰላምሽ ከፍ ይበልልኝ እናቴ ሁሌም ኖሪልኝ። ሰላምሽ ከፍ ይበልልኝ እናቴ ሁሌም ኖሪልኝ። ዘረኝነት ችግር ካንቺ እንዲጠፋ የአባቶች ልመና ይሆንሻል ተስፋ የአባቶች ልመና ይሆንሻል ተስፋ። ገብረ መንፈስ ቅዱስ የጸለየልሽ የአምላክ ምስክሮች ዛሬም አሉልሽ የአምላክ ምስክሮች ዛሬም አሉልሽ። ተዋህዶ መሸሸጊያዬ ኦርቶዶክስ መጠለያዬ ሰላምሽ ከፍ ይበልልኝ እናቴ ሁሌም ኖሪልኝ። ሰላምሽ ከፍ ይበልልኝ እናቴ ሁሌም ኖሪልኝ። ብራናውን ይዘው በዱር በገደሉ ታሪክሽን ያቆዩ ብዙ አባቶች አሉ። ታሪክሽን ያቆዩ ብዙ አባቶች አሉ። ደማቸውን ፈሶ ስላንቺ የሞቱ አሉ አባቶቻችን በእምነት የበረቱ አሉ አባቶቻችን በእምነት የበረቱ። ተዋህዶ መሸሸጊያዬ ኦርቶዶክስ መጠለያዬ ሰላምሽ ከፍ ይበልልኝ እናቴ ሁሌም ኖሪልኝ ሰላምሽ ከፍ ይበልልኝ እናቴ ሁሌም ኖሪልኝ የታድሶ አርማ ይዘው የተነሱ ታሪክሽን ሊንዱ ዶግማሽን ሊያፈርሱ ታሪክሽን ሊንዱ ዶግማሽን ሊያፈርሱ የረቀቀባቸው ምስጢራትሽ ሁሉ በሥጋ ዓይናቸው እያዩ ይተቻሉ በሥጋ ዓይናቸው እያዩ ይጠፋሉ ተዋህዶ መሸሸጊያዬ ኦርቶዶክስ መጠለያዬ ሰላምሽ ከፍ ይበልልኝ እናቴ ሁሌም ኖሪልኝ ሰላምሽ ከፍ ይበልልኝ እናቴ ሁሌም ኖሪልኝ ተዋህዶ መሸሸጊያዬ ኦርቶዶክስ መጠለያዬ ሰላምሽ ከፍ ይበልልኝ እናቴ ሁሌም ኖሪልኝ ሰላምሽ ከፍ ይበልልኝ እናቴ ሁሌም ኖሪልኝ ተዋህዶ መሸሸጊያዬ ኦርቶዶክስ መጠለያዬ ሰላምሽ ከፍ ይበልልኝ እናቴ ሁሌም ኖሪልኝ ሰላምሽ ከፍ ይበልልኝ እናቴ ሁሌም ኖሪልኝ የተክለ የሃይማኖት የአባ ጊዮርጊስ የነ ላሊበላ ይምራነ ክርስቶስ የነ ላሊበላ ይምራነ ክርስቶስ የነ ዜና ማርቆስ የክርስቶስ ሰምራ ጸሎታቸው ኖሯል ባንቺ ላይ ሲያበራ ጸሎታቸው ኖሯል ባንቺ ላይ ሲያበራ ተዋህዶ መሸሸጊያዬ ኦርቶዶክስ
Can you hear the music? We're not in Ibiza, we're in Gravesham in Kent. The atmosphere is electric.
People recognise it. I mean, I've been asked a couple of times, do I work for the Red Cross?
Right, happy St George's Day to you. It's a time when England proudly celebrates its legendary paper.
Except we don't. Which is why in
wrote
GB
that?
News we are making the point that we are celebrating it, which is why we're going to one of our favourite GB News presenters, Ben Lear, who's in Gravesham, where they know how to celebrate St George's Day in style.
They do indeed. Can you hear the music? We're not in Ibiza, we're in Gravesham in Kent. The atmosphere is electric. Do you know what? It's such a refreshing scene. It's like a leaf out of the Americans book where you see so much celebration of ethnicity, of Englishness. I'm here now with Rob Batson, who is from production company Same Sky. Rob, you've been helping the hundreds of school children from across dozens of schools create all these magnificent signs and horses and creations and costumes. Just tell us about what you've been up to over the past couple of weeks, and how have the kids, the children, received it?
Oh, it's been amazing. It's ourselves and a team of artists going into, 22 schools across Kent to make all these wonderful creations. And it's great because you give the kids something to make them something individual, to represent themselves, and then they get to join the parade and be part of something larger, fantastic, and have a great time.
And we're just minutes away from hearing the national anthem. We've got, as you can see here, all the children congregating.
ብራናውን ይዘው በዱር በገደሉ ታሪክሽን ያቆዩ ብዙ አባቶች አሉ። ታሪክሽን ያቆዩ ብዙ አባቶች አሉ።
Tragically repeats itself as we witness the modern-day genocide. Yet the media's silence on this issue is deafening. The Armenian people, who endured centuries of persecution due to their faith, find themselves once again subjected to a brutal campaign of ethnic cleansing. In the grip of Azerbaijan and Turkey, countless Armenians are enduring unspeakable horrors: loss of life, forced displacement, starvation, and isolation from essential supplies. These are the same Armenians whose roots run deep in the land they've called home for generations. I implore the international community across all nations to take swift action, extend a helping hand to the Armenian population, offer them the protection they desperately need, and create a humanitarian corridor for their safe passage. Most importantly, let's engage in immediate diplomatic efforts to ensure that these exiled individuals can return to their rightful homes without delay. To the Armenian people who still suffer, I say, don't lose heart.
I became a pastor in a Pentecostal church for 5 years. From there, I started moving towards my way into the Coptic Orthodox Church. And I like to think this is where I'm going to spend the rest of my life. But I'd rather just say I'm going to spend the rest of my life chasing after Christ, getting to know Him better and receiving Him, conforming myself to Him by taking up my cross and following Him the best that I can.
ተዋህዶ መሸሸጊያዬ ኦርቶዶክስ መጠለያዬ ሰላምሽ ከፍ ይበልልኝ እናቴ ሁሌም ኖሪልኝ ሰላምሽ ከፍ ይበልልኝ እናቴ ሁሌም